press the Windows key or click on the Windows icon. Search for Settings and click on Settings. Click on System. Scroll down. Click on Recovery. Click on Reset the computer. Choose the option to remove everything. Choose Local Installation. Click on Advance. Now make sure to read all of these instructions very carefully. You will remove all of the files and programs from your computer. If you want, you can back up the files in an external drive or in a cloud storage platform. When you are certain, click on Reset and wait some time. Like and subscribe to support my work, and is there any other tutorial you need? Tell me in the comments.